Hello and welcome back to another video.
Today we're at Watford Junction on the West Coast Main Line.
And today, as you can see, you're going to be seeing services by London Overground, Avanti and London North Western Railway.
And Southern.
And Southern. Here we have...
Evro to...
Evero? Is it Evero? I don't even know.
I call it an Evro. I think it's...
805 005.
I don't know.
Maybe to Chester or Holyhead. And also departing, if I just turn a little... Okay, we've got a service to London Euston.
We've got a nice brakes actually.
Departing. Oh my word. There's another 350 coming. We've got 350 254 and 350 262. And going here is another one. I don't know the number yet. Oh, that's heading from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. It is 377 and 371, and if we come here, we've got another 350, 408, which is, you know where it's going? Milton Keynes.
Yeah. Oh my god, that Evro is going to...
Evero, let's go with Evero. No, don't annoy the viewers.
It's going to Birmingham.
And this is 350 409.
Going to Milton Keynes.
Whoa. So, a good start, and let's see what else shall turn up.
Okay, now departing, got a service to Milton Keynes.
I think they're both maybe going.
Yeah. Yeah, and this one's leaving as well.
A bit of a crazy start, and we're going to be here.
Very much looking forward to it though. Okay then.
805 006 is on the back.
That's off to Birmingham New Street.
The long-awaited return of Ed back on the camera today.
Yep. So there goes that one. Okay, now arriving is a service from Birmingham to London.
I think it's 807 002, I think I said. Can't actually remember exactly.
I find it very interesting that I don't advertise the stop for pickup only.
No, drop-off only.
Yeah, it's drop-off only, but, you know.
I don't think you can get on. I've never tried.
Theoretically, you can't get on, yeah.
There's also meant to be a 390, but I'm not sure whether this is going to be in the way. It might stop in time, actually. And we will catch this train when it departs. Alright, and we've got a pair of West Midlands Railway
from
7:30s. That's what I meant.
Apologies. From Milton Keynes Central to London Euston.
We didn't see that coming.
It's 7:30 0110.
And also leaving, we have 807 002 with a service to London Euston from New Street. Probably won't see the 7:30s here for much longer because obviously the new ones are coming.
Yeah.
I mean, as much as I'm not a massive fan of IETs in general, they're not too bad, but it looks good in that livery.
Yeah. Avanti livery is very stylish. Okay, we've got a service, Avanti service.
It's to Glasgow Central.
That is...
I think it's 104.
yeah, correct.
And we'll catch the 7:30 when it goes. Alright, we have 7:30 crossover going on here. We've got the 7:30s in West Midlands, which is 010, sorry. And this one is going to Tring.
A little whistle from the driver there.
7:32:20 and 7:10:266 is also leaving over there.
Oh yeah, to Euston. By the DC part.
And this is 7:30:231.
I have to say, they're very nice.
Shiny.
Yeah, very shiny and nice. Good replacement from the Dash 2, 350 Dash 2s. In my opinion.
And we'll catch this train when it departs.
Okay, we've got our Pendolino service to Manchester Piccadilly.
And obviously the 7:30s are leaving. (390:152).
We've got 7:30:231 on the rear leaving. That's going to Tring, yeah.
And you can see the Southern 377 hiding over there in the background as well. Okay, next train to pass by, we've got 807-008 heading from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston.
And that's off to London Euston from Liverpool.
Okay, we've got a 390 crossover. Do you know where they're from?
This is from Birmingham.
Is heading from Birmingham New Street, sorry about that click, to London Euston, and the other one was going to Edinburgh, right?
Edinburgh, and I get the numbers for that. That is 390-156.
There you go.
Okay,
Right.
and
377-707 is now leaving from the random platform.
it's going to East Croydon.
And in a minute, we'll just keep it, I guess, at the same angle.
Rolling.
You can see it go past. There is a 390, which is heading from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, I think. No, it's not. It is a late running service, I believe. But I don't know where it's from.
Oh my word.
Just don't turn it. It's all right. 39135, and I still don't know where it's going. Well, I know it's going to London Euston, but I don't know what's going to. So, a bit of an unfair race, but there we go.
We got the 7 up here, didn't we? So that's the Pendolino zooming away.
Alright, we've got another 390 that I don't even know where it's going. It's 390-200. Well, 390-020, but...
this is going to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston.
There you go, I'll take Ed's word for it. Yeah. If that's what RTT says. Alright, and the next train to go past
is 390-125, forming a service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
going at some good speed.
And that's following a service from Manchester Pick to London Euston.
Alright, and we've got our first, I think maybe our last freight train of the day. It's 66714 heading from Dollonsmore to Daventry.
Yep.
And possibly chasing it in the same video, we're going to have a pair of 350s heading to Crewe. But the numbers aren't on real-time trains, so I can't tell you what the number is. Anyway.
It's 66714, isn't it?
No, I mean for the 350s I can't tell you.
going to see a West Midlands trains to, where's it going?
London North Western Railway, whatever you want to call it. 267.
Driving there.
And 410.
Squeezing along all the way to Crewe. Lovely.
Alright, and we've got a service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston.
Yeah. Lovely tone from the driver there.
350-257 is on the front. Is on the front. 101 is on the back. Great tones from the driver, thanks very much. And we've got a mismatched front 350-128 to Milton Keynes. That's also coupled with 350-122.
And we'll catch up when it comes.
I don't know why everything at this station comes in like
At
pairs.
the same time.
Okay, and sneaking in behind the other 350.
It's a slightly delayed service from Tring to Euston, London Euston, 350-107 and 350-249. Got to make use all of the dash 2s while we can. Or they leave.
Just for the livery, right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure they have any other benefits.
No.
Alright,
okay,
and now leaving
it's a service
350-122.
Yeah, off to Milton Keynes.
Milton Keynes, yeah. And I think also going to get ready to go is 350-107 going from Tring to London Euston. Okay, any minute now.
Okay, so now the passing's a 350 service from Tring to London Euston.
With the London Midland 350-249 on the back. And as you can see, there is a 390, which is going to be heading to Manchester Piccadilly.
Yep.
So I'll just zoom back out. And you can see it.
126, 390. That's heading to Manchester. So we've got a service
To Chester, I think, maybe.
That's actually a VST. So that's going in the ECS movement to Chester.
Well, or it might, I swear one was cancelled earlier and they rescheduled
Yeah,
it, something like that. Whatever. That's heading to Chester.
Okay, and we've got a service from
Birmingham to London Euston. New Street, obviously. No Chiltern Clubmans here.
No.
And this is going nice and
going
fast.
at speed.
259.
Go really fast. That's heading to a service to London Euston.
Okay, we've got, we're falling into disarray here. We have a Pendolino that we don't know.
We know it's going to Euston.
But that's all we know.
Lovely
So I
tone from
can't
the
really
driver
help you
there.
anymore with that. But we'll find out the number. It's 39127, I can tell you that.
Filming a service to Euston. So there goes that one.
Somewhere. Maybe Birmingham, I swear we haven't had a Birmingham for a while.
Yeah.
Alright, and the next train to arrive, we've got a pair of 730s heading from Tring to London. No, Milton Keynes Central to London Euston.
Euston, yeah. It is 730 004 and 032. 730 032.
I don't think you'll see these here for much longer
No.
because the new ones are coming. The actual LNWR ones are coming. Alright, we've got two trains. We've got an 805 to Holyhead.
To Holyhead, yeah.
And a 350. .005 003.
Oh, and a 5 car.
And coming in here, we got 350 106 with a service to Tring. Oh, it's madness. And 350 403 on the back. There's also a 710 arriving, which we haven't filmed yet. And one departing.
Yep.
Ah.
That's off to Euston by the DC line.
And also leaving, if we go around here, the 730s are leaving. And we are going to have another freight train, which is heading from Trafford Park to London Gateway after these 730s. Bit crazy.
Okay, and we've got a service to Tring. Now departing. 350 403.
And maybe in the same clip we're going to have a 66, but I don't actually know where it is yet. I think that'll be in the next bit. I thought it was coming, but it's not there yet.
That's off, curling away to Tring. Tring, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, got a 377-7 terminating here from East Croydon, I believe so.
Sorry, we were just battery switching,
Yeah. And over there, got a shed.
which is about to power up because the 377 is done.
It's 66507. And he's gonna clag up.
And I'll get out of the way, sorry.
Yep.
And this clip is probably like 9 minutes long.
It's early as well. Oh my word.
I can confirm that is from Liverpool line to London Euston, 319.06. And then we won't bother zooming it in because the back of the containers is pretty
So there goes that one. That's heading to
London Gateway from
Trafford Park.
And the 377 number is 708, if anyone cares.
Yeah. Lovely. Okay guys, so that concludes the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it like we have.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe as always.
And from us here at Watford Junction, me and Jack, goodbye.
Thanks for watching.